Hi friends, welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics. Now we will start chapter number 3, the straight line. In this chapter we study various results relating to straight lines in much more details. In this video we will know some basic formulae, fundamental results and theorem statements relating to the chapter the straight line. Some basic formulae. We know in previous classes these formulae. The equation of x-axis is y equal to 0 and the equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. Next, the equation of the horizontal line which is at a distance k from the x-axis. First, it lies above the x-axis is y equal to k, and second, it lies below the x-axis is y equal to minus k. Next, the equation of the horizontal line which is at a distance k from the y-axis and it lies right side of y-axis is x equal to k. Second, it lies left side of y-axis is x equal to minus k. We know the coordinates of origin 0, 0. The point on x-axis is small a, 0, which is a units distance from the origin. Next, the point on y-axis is 0, a, which is a units distance from the origin. Next, the slope of a straight line. First, we know about the definition. If a non-vertical straight line L makes an angle theta with the x-axis measured counterclockwise direction from the positive direction of the x-axis, then tan theta is called the slope gradient of the line L. The slope of a non-vertical straight line is usually denoted by small m. That means the straight line L makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis in counterclockwise direction. Then the slope of the straight line L is tan theta and is denoted by m. This is written in mathematical form, slope small m equal to tan theta. Some important notes about slope of the straight line. First, a vertical line makes a right angle with the x-axis and therefore the slope of a vertical line is not defined. Second, if a straight line is parallel to the x-axis, then theta equal to 0 degrees, and since tan 0 equal to 0, the slope of a horizontal line is 0. Third, if theta is acute, tan theta is positive, and if theta is obtuse, tan theta is negative. Fourth, the sign of tan theta indicates to which side of the x-axis the straight line is inclined. Also, the magnitude of tan theta gives the amount of steepness of the line with the x-axis. Hence, tan theta is called the slope of the line. Fifth, the variation of theta is in the interval 0 less than or equal to theta less than pi. That means the theta value is in between 0 and pi values. Next, sixth, if two non-vertical straight lines L1 and L2 having the slopes M1 and M2 and theta 1 and theta 2 are the angles in the interval 0, pi such that M1 equal to tan theta 1 and M2 equal to tan theta 2. In that L1 and L2 are parallel, then slopes are equal, and L1 and L2 are perpendicular, then the product of these two slopes is equal to -1. If a non-vertical straight line passes through the points x1, y1 and x2, y2, then its slope is y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. Intercepts. Definition. If a straight line L intersects the x-axis at capital A of small a, 0 and the y-axis at capital B of 0, small b, then A and B are respectively called the x-intercept and the y-intercept of the line L. Some important points about intercept. First, a straight line passes through the origin if and only if the x-intercept and the y-intercept of the straight line are both equal to 0. Second, the x-intercept of a horizontal line is not defined. Third, the y-intercept of a vertical line is also not defined. Here, we know about different forms of a straight line and their equations. First one, the equation of a straight line in slope-intercept form. The equation of the straight line with the slope m and cutting of y-intercept c is y equal to mx plus c. That means y equal to mx plus c is the slope-intercept form straight line equation. In this, we know some other equation, that is the straight line y equal to mx plus c passes through the origin if c equal to 0. Thus, the equation of the non-vertical straight line passing through the origin and having slope m is y equal to mx. Second, the equation of a straight line intercept form. The equation of the straight line which cuts off non-zero intercepts small a, b on the x-axis and y-axis respectively is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. That is, x by a plus y by b equal to 1 is the intercept form of the straight line. Here we know a is the x-intercept and b is the y-intercept. Third one, the equation of a straight line in point slope form. The equation of the straight line with the slope m and passing through the point x1, y1 is y minus y1 equal to small m into x minus x1. Is y minus y1 equal to small m into x minus x1 is the point slope form straight line equation. 4. The equation of a straight line two-point form. The equation of the straight line passing through the points capital A of x1, y1 and capital B of x2, y2 is x minus x1 into y1 minus y2 equal to y minus y1 into x1 minus x2. Is x minus x1 into y1 minus y2 equal to y minus y1 into x1 minus x2 is the two-point form straight line equation. 5. The straight line normal form. The equation of the straight line whose distance from the origin is small p and the normal ray of which drawn from the origin makes an angle alpha with the positive direction of the x-axis measured counterclockwise is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to small p. That is, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p is the normal form of the straight line. 6. Straight line in symmetric form. The equation of the straight line passing through x1, y1 and making an angle theta with the positive direction of the x-axis measured counterclockwise is x minus x1 is to cos theta equal to y minus y1 is to sin theta. That is, x minus x1 is to cos theta equal to y minus y1 is to sin theta is the symmetric form of the straight line. Next, general form of the straight line. The form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 of the equation of a straight line is called the general form of the equation of a line. 8. Parametric form. x equal to x1 plus r cos theta, comma y equal to y1 plus r sin theta, where r belongs to capital R, are called the parametric equations of the straight line L, and the parameter R varies over the interval minus infinity comma infinity. It can also be observed that the parameter R is positive for points which lies on one side of the point x1 comma y1 on L, and small r is negative for points on the other side of the point x1 comma y1 on L. These are the different forms of a straight lines equations. Thanks for watching our video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications.